Hey guys, welcome to another quick help video, and we're on our intercom screen today, and I'm going to show you how to find the verification code. So the verification code is for your app. So if you want to get the app, so your phone will ring, you will need to get the verification code or at least enter one, and a lot of people don't know where this is, so I'm going to show you where to go to get it. Okay, so what we have to do is go to settings, and the 3 lines at the bottom, and then we go to configuration. Pop in your admin password, and then we go to the spanner icon on the right, and then we've got Hit Connect Service Settings. Okay, here you can set the verification code. As you see here, the verification code is not on, but if it is asking you for one, you have to turn this on here, click on here, and then you can put anything you want. So the verification code will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and then that's saved automatically. You just go back, and we can go back again and see it's there. Okay, so when you download the app and set it up, it's going to ask you for that code. Simple as that. So you know you're the only one who knows that code, so you're the only one who can use that app. All right, guys? So if for some reason verification code is not here on the settings, I recommend you updating the firmware of your device. All right, guys? So hopefully now you know how to get this code and you can get your intercom online on your phone. Thanks for watching anyway. I'll keep that short and sweet and hopefully catch you in another one. Cheers. Bye-bye.